प्लस केमिस्ट्री में आप सबका स्वागत है। ये न्यूमेरिकल सेगमेंट का फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है जो मैंने थर्मोडायनेमिक्स से लिया हुआ है। क्वेश्चन है कि 88 ग्राम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस एक्सपेंडेड isothermally and reversibly from a volume of 2 liter to 20 liter at a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius. Calculate the work done. So when the condition is isothermally and reversibly and they say to calculate work done, it means they are asking about W max. W max. So formula of W max is minus 2.303 N RT log base 10 V2 upon V1. So from the given formula, if we find the given of this question, so here first of all we have to find number of moles, but number of moles is not given, so we have to calculate number of moles. For number of moles we have formula W CO2 upon M CO2. So first we have to find WCO2. So WCO2 it is given in question, that is 88 gram. Now we have to find MCO2, molar mass of carbon dioxide. So we have to find C plus 2 times of O. So it is 12 plus 2 times of 16. So it overall is 44 gram mole inverse. So we got WCO2 और MCO2. तो अब हम लोग नंबर ऑफ मोल्स निकाल सकते हैं. सो N इज इक्वल टू WCO2 अपॉन MCO2. WCO2 की वैल्यू है 88 ग्राम and MCO2 is 44 gram mole inverse. So it will be 2 moles. So हमें number of moles मिल चुका है 2 moles. Now R is given in the question. R, that is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. We need temperature. Temperature is given 27 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो हमें इसे केल्विन में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. सो 27 प्लस केल्विन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 273 इसमें ऐड करते हैं तो ये हो जाएगा 300 केल्विन. एंड इनिशियल वॉल्यूम इज गिवन, दैट इज 2 liter and the final volume is given 20 liter. Now to find so we have to find W max. W max हमें फाइंड करना है. इसके लिए हमें फार्मूला चाहिए. So already I've written the formula. The formula is W max is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log at base 10 V2 upon V1. Putting the values of all these, so minus 2.303 into 2 into 8.314 into 300 into log 20 by 2. So now we have to solve it. So minus 2.303 3 into 600, we have to multiply 2 into 300, 600 into 8.314 into log base 10, 10. So log base 10, the value of 10 is 1, so it becomes minus 2.303 into 600 into 8.314 into 1. Now we have to multiply all these terms, so we get the total comes minus 1148.28 joule. Now our answer is given into kilojoule, so we have to change it into kilojoule, so it will be minus 11.488 kilojoule. So the final answer W max is minus 11.488 kilojoule. The given option B is the correct option. Thank you for watching Atlas Chemistry.